Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can take your 3D printing game to the next level, upgrades and mods. Whether you're looking to improve print quality, increase reliability, or add new features, upgrading your 3D printer can be incredibly rewarding. So let's dive into some popular upgrades and mods that you can do at home. First up, we have auto bed leveling sensors. This upgrade can save you tons of time and frustration by ensuring your print bed is perfectly level before every print. And a popular option is the BL Touch. Installation usually involves some wiring and firmware tweaks, but the results are definitely worth it. Next, let's talk about hot ends. Upgrading your hot end can allow you to print at higher temperatures and with a wider range of materials. The E3D, V6 and Micro Swiss all metal hot ends are great options. These upgrades can help reduce clogging and improve print quality, especially with filaments like PETG and ABS. Another awesome upgrade is silent stepper motors. These make your printer much quieter by reducing the noise generated by the stepper motors. TMC 2208 and TMC 2209 drivers are popular choices. You'll need to do some soldering and use adapters, but the peace and quiet is worth it. For those printing with materials like ABS or nylon, adding an enclosure can significantly improve print quality by maintaining a stable temperature and reducing warping. You can build your own with some acrylic sheets or buy a pre-made one. Plus, it adds a layer of safety by containing fumes and protecting your printer. Let's not forget about filament guides and spool holders. These seem like small upgrades, but they can prevent tangling and improve filament feeding, leading to more consistent prints. You can find countless designs on sites like Thingiverse or Minifactory. Here's a filament guide that I use, but all of them have their own benefits and flaws, so find the best one that works for your setup. Next up is OctoPrint. Integrating a Raspberry Pi with OctoPrint can give you remote monitoring and control of your 3D printer. You can start prints, monitor progress, and even set up a webcam to watch your prints, all from your phone or computer. So there you have it, some fantastic upgrades and mods to enhance your 3D printer. Whether you're looking to improve print quality, reduce noise, or add new features, there's an upgrade out there for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more 3D printing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.